Hello everyone, welcome to GeekerMag. In today's video, I will show you how to enable secure boot on your Windows PC so that you can fix the secure boot error that can appear when launching Battlefield 6 or EA games. Even this guide works for all the games that require secure boot to play the game. This issue happens because Battlefield 6 uses a new kernel level anti-cheat that requires secure boot and TPM to be enabled. Don't worry, even if you have never touched BIOS settings before, I will make it super simple. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. First step is to check if secure boot is already enabled. Click on the search icon and type MS Info. When system information appear in the search results, click to open it. In the app, scroll down and locate secure boot state. If it says on, then you are good to go. If it says off, then you need to enable it in the BIOS. You can directly head over to step 5 of the video. If it says unsupported, then navigate to BIOS mode. If it says UEFI, then again you can skip to step 5. If it says legacy, then you need to keep following the upcoming steps. Step 2 is to check if TPM is enabled or not. For that, click on the search icon and type tpm.msc, and when it appears in the search results, click to open it. In the app, head over to TPM status. If it say TPM is ready to use, then you are good to go and head over to step 5 of the video. If it's not ready to use, unavailable or similar, then check this blog post and enable it first. Step 3 is to check if your device uses GPT or MBR. It's because secure boot only works with UEFI plus GPT. Click on the search icon and type partition. When create and format hard disk partition appear, click to open it. Here, find your C drive. Note the disk number. In my case, it's disk 0. It's possible that it could be disk 1 or other in your case. Right click on it and select properties. Switch to volume tab. Here look for partition style. If it's GPT, you are good to go and you can directly head over to step 5 of the video. If it's MBR, then you need to convert it to GPT. For that, keep following the upcoming step. Step 4 is to convert MBR to GPT using Windows tool. Before that, I suggest users to create backup of the important data. Click on the search icon and type CMD. When command prompt appear in the search results, click Run as Administrator. When UAC dialog box appear, click Yes to continue. In the command prompt window, you need to type MBR to GPT /validate /allow full OS. If it shows errors, then your drive can be converted, and unfortunately there is no point in moving forward in this video. On the other hand, if it looks similar to my case, then you need to execute another command, that is mbr to gpt /convert /allow full OS. This command will convert your C drive from MBR to GPT drive. The process will take a time, so hang tight. In my case, it's already GPT, so there is nothing I need to do. Step 5 is to enter BIOS. There are two ways to do that. Easy way is to click on the search icon and type run. When it opens up, type shutdown /f/fw. When you click OK, your PC will restart automatically and boot into BIOS. In case this method didn't work for you, then try the traditional method. Each computer manufacturer has assigned a different key to get into BIOS, no matter what OS you have installed on your PC. What we need to do is to restart the device. Most Windows computer shows a screen for a few seconds with the option to enter BIOS with a key that you need to press. Some of the common keys that enters the BIOS is F1, F2, F10, delete and escape. I have covered a detailed blog post covering BIOS key for different manufacturers, so check it out. Link is in the description. If you reach this part of the video, I presume you entered the BIOS. Mine is Gigabyte, so this is how it looks like. For this video, I'm showing how to enable secure boot for Gigabyte motherboard. Here, switch to BIOS tab. Now scroll down and find CSM support. If it's not there for you, try to find it under boot, security or similar tabs. Disable CMS support. Click on it and select disable. Doing this will unlock the option for secure boot, but don't enable it yet. First, save and exit BIOS, then restart and enter BIOS again. Now you will see the secure boot option. Set it to enabled. Save your BIOS settings and restart into Windows. In case you have other manufacturer motherboard, you can check this page to find instructions to enable secure boot for other manufacturers. Now open Steam, EA app or your game launcher, and this time when you launch Battlefield 6, you should no longer see the secure boot error. Now you need to keep in mind that if you have just converted MBR to GPT but forget to enable UEFI, Windows might not boot. If that happens, go back into BIOS, enable UEFI and save again. And that's it. You have fixed the secure boot error in Battlefield 6. If you have any query related to this video, then feel free to ask in the comments. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.